Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a violet purple sort of eye look, so if you're interested, so keep on watching. I've already done my eye base using this Mars concealer. For this particular makeup look, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Mars. So first step, I'm making a wing eyeliner, and with the help of a small dome brush, I'm just blending it. I'm taking purple shade and I'm blending it inwards. With a clean blending brush, I'm just diffusing the edges, taking a nude color and enhancing my crease. Taking dark purple color, I'm creating a small arc right here. Taking black color on a flat shader brush and just defining this wing. Making a small cut crease. Taking a small blending brush and blending this harsh edges. I'm repeating the same process here also. I'm just blending all the harsh edges of concealer here so it looks seamless. White eyeshadow and applying on inner portion. With the help of that same blending brush, I'm diffusing both of the colors in the middle, just here. I'm creating a simple eyeliner close to my lash line. By taking black eyeshadow, I'm blending this eyeliner. I'm taking golden shimmer shade and applying just here. I'm not taking all the way to the inner corner. I'm just applying almost on the center of my eyelids. Now I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and blending these edges. For my under eyes, I'm using the same purple shade and blending on my waterline. I'm taking a little bit of black color and smudging it outwards. This is how it looks. So if you like my content, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.